Welcome everyone, welcome to today's JASMY video update. And look at JASMY, guys. We've broken out of a very important level, and this actually seemed to me like it was a stop loss hunting right there. But as far as I see things, you are breaking out really nicely right now, and you can see this was a retest, almost a successful retest, and JASMY is still looking for a pump to go all the way up to this level, which is going to be 13% move to the upside. And what I would like to say is that a stop loss is always recommended when you are in an uncertain market. So 9639, and you're going to see this thing probably, if it does ever come down here and take up this stop loss right there, which is this last bullish pattern right now, then you're not looking good to go to the upside anymore. But right now it's doing all the right things, all the right steps to basically go up to this level. And that's it for this quick update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.